Hi friends, welcome to our Educational Quiz Mania channel. Students, in this video, today we are going to solve second unit test paper based on Formative Evaluation Standard 7 subject General Science. So let's get started. हा पेपर 20 गुणांसाठी असून हा पेपर तुमच्या सरावासाठी तयार करण्यात आलेला आहे. याचा तुम्हाला नक्कीच फायदा होईल. Question number 1A. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the brackets. This question has 1 marks. 1. Garbage is converted into dash by microorganisms. Answer is fertilizers. 2. Muscles of the heart are dash. Answer is cardiac muscles. B. Match the columns. This question has 2 marks. 1. Brass. Answer is alloy. 2. Gold. Answer is metal. 3. Water. Answer is compound. 4th. Hydrogen. Answer is non-metal. C. Write whether following statements are true or false. This question has 1 marks. 1. Baking bread is a harmful change. This statement is false. 2. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. This statement is true. D. Under which different types can the following changes be classified? This question has 2 marks. A. Conversion of milk into yogurt. Answer is chemical, irreversible, slow. B. Stretching of a spring. Answer is physical, reversible. Question number 2A. Answer the following questions in 1 sentences. This question has 2 marks. 1. Name the different organelles in a cell. Answer: nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, Golgi body, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, vacuoles are all different cell organelles. 2. What is a cell? Answer: the structural and functional unit of the body is called a cell. 3. What is the smallest particle of a compound called? Answer: the smallest particle of a compound is called molecule. B. Write the name of elements from the following symbols. This question has 1 mark. 1. N means nitrogen and Ar means argon. C. What are the molecular formulae of the following compounds? This question has 1 marks. 1. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. 2. Glucose formula is C6H12O6. Question number 3A. Distinguish between the following. This question has 2 marks. 1. Plant cell and animal cell. Answer: 1. Plant cell have cell wall made up of cellulose and animal cells do not have cell wall. 2. The cytoplasm of the plant cells is laser, granular and not dense, and the cytoplasm of animal cells is more granular and dense. 2. Natural change and man-made change. Answer 1. The change occurring automatically by natural cause is called natural change, and the changes induced by man are called man-made changes. 2. Most of the natural events are the examples of natural changes. Example, ripening of fruits. And man-made changes are due to man's wish to satisfy his needs. Example, cutting down the trees. B. Give scientific reasons. This question has 4 marks. 1. Buttermilk is churned to get butter. Answer. Churning is one of the method of separation. The particles of butter are all spread out in the buttermilk. By stirring, they aggregate due to centrifugal force and form one solid lump. To separate the buttermilk is therefore churned. 2. Soap cannot be used in hard water. Answer. There are different types of salts in the hard water. Therefore, soap does not give lather but forms a scum. Due to scum, a soap loses its cleansing property. Therefore, soap cannot be used in hard water. 3. A wooden article should be polished. Answer. A wood is an organic substance that is affected by termites or fungus. This natural change can result into irreversible damage. If polish is applied to such wooden articles, the rate of natural changes slows down. Thus, to prevent this harmful change, a wooden article should be polished. 4th, food becomes acidic in the stomach. Answer. The wall of the stomach has gastric glands that produce mild hydrochloric acid. Due to this, the food becomes acidic in the stomach. C. Answer the following questions in short. This question has 2 marks. 1. What are microorganisms? Answer. The living organisms on the earth which are in every environment but can be seen only under compound microscope are called microorganisms. 2. What causes the problem of acidity? What is its effect on the body? Answer. Acid is produced by stomach. It is mild 0.5% HCl. If excess of acid is produced, it causes headache, heartburns, vomiting or skin rashes. D. Sketch well-labeled diagram. This question has 2 marks. 1. Separation method. खाली दिल्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला सेपरेशन मेथडची सुंदर व सुबक अशी आकृती काढायची आहे व या आकृतीला योग्य अशी नावे द्यायची आहेत. 2. प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेल. तर खाली दिल्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेलची सुंदर व सुबक अशी आकृती काढून तुम्हाला या आकृतीला योग्य अशी नावे द्यायची आहेत. तर अशा प्रकारे आज आपण स्टँडर्ड 7 विषय जनरल सायन्स द्वितीय घटक चाचणीचा सराव पेपर अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. तुम्ही आमच्या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि हा व्हिडिओ तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना शेअर करायला विसरू नका, जेणेकरून त्यांना या व्हिडिओचा लाभ घेता येईल. थँक्यू.